Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, GPU capability, and a current driver. Open Device Manager or GPU Control Panel to confirm model and driver date. Next, install the latest vendor driver, restart to apply. Then launch a modern browser, Chrome or Edge, because they include Webgl 2.0 support. Once done, disable any extensions that modify Webgl or hardware acceleration. You're setting a clean baseline so the deeper fixes will work reliably, which saves time later. Now configure the browser to allow Webgl 2.0. You enable hardware acceleration in settings and then restart the browser to ensure the GPU is used. Next, open the browser's internal GPU diagnostics page, Chrome//GPU or About GPU, to read the exact status of Webgl 2.0 and any driver blacklists. If the page shows blocked features, consider enabling the Override Software Rendering List flag. However, do this only when the GPU driver is up to date and you understand the. Finally, validate success by loading a trusted Webgl 2 demo, observe rendering, and open the developer console for errors. If it still fails, provide a safe fallback. Request a Webgl 1.0 context or use a software renderer for compatibility. When problems persist, consider rolling back to a previous stable driver or installing the latest OS updates. Sometimes blacklisting is due to specific driver OS combos. One key tip: if you change flags, restart the browser and test in an incognito profile to eliminate extension interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.